Hi, it's Tom with BV Security. Here at BV, we sell a lot of cameras, and a question we get asked all the time is what's the benefits of the different style cameras that we carry? Today I want to talk to you about a very specific type of camera and go over the pros and cons. So today I want to look at our turret style cameras. Now this is probably one of our best sellers and personally one of my favorite type of cameras. This is a great all-around option, and let's take a look at some of the things that make it great. One of the great things about the turret cameras is they come in a million different options. Any kind of feature that you can think of on a security camera, we have a turret with that built in. Whether you need color 24/7, dual light, built-in microphones, flashing lights, speakers, whatever it is, there's an option for you in a turret. One of the things that made the turrets so great when they first came out was they did solve the problem that we have with dome cameras, which is infrared reflecting back into the lens. Because they have this flat front and the infrared is kept separate from the lens, we don't have to worry about that at all. Turret cameras give you a fantastic night image. Additionally, turret cameras are much easier to install than our dome cameras. And unlike the bullet cameras, they're very small and discreet. If you need to put something inside your home, for instance, a camera like this will be a lot less noticeable than a large bullet or a dome camera. Now for some of the downsides. While turret cameras are easier to install than domes, they're not as easy as the bullets, so they do take a few extra steps. You do have to take the whole piece apart to access the mounting surface to get this camera installed. Additionally, once the camera is installed, it is possible to move it and point it in a different direction. Not as easy as with a bullet camera, but definitely easier than with the dome cameras. And finally, the last downside, something that has kind of died off in more recent years, but originally when turrets came out, the biggest complaint was they were not as aesthetically pleasing as the bullets and the domes. Some people just have a certain idea of what the camera is supposed to look like, and this isn't it. If you're looking for a great all-around camera with tons of pros and very few downsides, turret camera might be the right option for you. Take a look on our website, bvsecurity.com, where we have lots of different turret options available for you. Once again, this is Tom with BV Security. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.